So this is how you can muffle audio on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to our guide on CapCut. Today you will learn how to muffle your audio. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. So let's get started by opening CapCut. Now, make sure you have your video right here, the one that has the audio, and then tap on it. Scroll down until you can find Extract Audio. Now just simply tap on it and you can see the audios right here. Now this video is pretty silent, that's why this has barely any audio, but it still works if you try it on your own. So just tap on the audio, tap on audio effects, and then tap on megaphone. It should work after tapping on megaphone, your audio will be muffled. Now once again, let me teach you. Tap on your video, scroll down, tap on extract audio. In my case, it's recover audio because I already extracted. And now, once you tap on your audio, tap audio effects, scroll down at the very bottom, and megaphone will be right here. So that's pretty much it. It was very easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.